up before the sun. Got my coffee, this is gonna be fun. Got my gun, got my dog, got my car. Man, there's just no time like the fall. Tell the boys we're headed out for the woods. You know the outdoors does the soul some good. Climb a tree or set out the blinds and sit back, soak it in. It'll clear your mind.
Well,
good morning.
there it is, right here. You ready?
I am ready.
It's been a while. I cannot wait for this. This is we've got kind of a cool place here that I like to. Haven't been here in a few years, but this is what we call the zoo. And if it has any history involved with me, there's always some good birds here, and it's not easy to get them. But we're gonna try this morning and see if this guy. I owe him one because I just patterned his gun the other day. And although we call this property the zoo, I like to call his gun the mule.
Well, I'm looking forward to going to the zoo, but not to the mule.
So hopefully the mule's gonna kick him today, and we're gonna see what happens. We're pretty pumped. We're gonna go in now and just kind of sit and listen and see what happens. So it's gonna be a good morning, and we hope, fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So Dad, this morning we had those birds going over here, but we heard one bird on this side, and I've only heard him a couple times. So he's I'm guessing he's around, either that or he's got hens or something. But I'm gonna try a crow call. Right below us. We gotta get back. He is really close. I can't believe he didn't answer to the turkey calls. Let's go back. Let's go back here and we'll set up. Let's go. Right here. Check your scope.
Everything's good.
He's still close. Left, all the way left. All the way left. Up the trail to the left. He's coming up that back trail further. He's coming up the trail to the left. Here he comes. As soon as you pat him, shoot him. There he is. Kill him. No, I can't. There's all bushes. Shoot right through him. There you go. There you go.
Step up. See these bushes right here?
Dad. Huh?
He just had to step outside those bushes. Oh, come on.
Dad. Huh?
That was awesome.
You're like, where? I'm like, left.
I said, this is my left.
Oh my God.
Okay, you paid me back. My arm is killing me.
I'm not gonna feel it.
No, I couldn't get it up to my shoulder. It hit the
Oh,
whatever
that's
I
even
have left of
better.
a muscle.
That's perfect. I'm glad it did.
Well,
We got a champ sitting there laying on the ground up there, huh? Oh my goodness.
time to go get it.
I think so, huh? Let's get him.
Oh, wow. Oh, what a beauty.
I know he's got a short beard.
Wow. Yeah, he does.
Yeah. I wonder if it's a beard rot or something like that, because he's a mature bird. I've seen that on quite a few birds. Look at that. That ain't no Jake.
That's a beautiful bird.
That's awesome. Wow.
Thanks a lot, Matt.
I love you. I love you. I am so glad. And, you know, we are on private land, and I'm not going to say any names, but for the people that know where we are, I can't be more grateful.
Oh.
I mean this, yeah.
Yeah, to get property nowadays is tough enough as
Yeah,
it is.
exactly.
This is it. To get property for me and able to walk it.
You know, it's you know, this is a property that is small but very difficult to hunt, and as you experienced this morning,
Yeah, this morning we jumped from one spot to the other.
it's really difficult to get these birds exactly where you need them, and you know, we did this morning, and
It was worth it.
yeah.
It was worth it.
Yep. And like I said,
And I don't have to get up early anymore.
I know. And to the people that own this land, there's not even any words of how grateful I am to be able to come out here and bring my father and
No more grateful than me.
share this experience in the outdoors with everything that you've taught me.
Hey, hold
Yeah.
it together. Get back.
But you know, it's like so many times in the outdoors for you guys that are, you know, forget the sportsman thing, you know, or forget the hunter thing, sportsmen, true outdoorsmen that appreciate not just the harvest, but everything there is out there. You know, we're just walking out on the edge of the ridge, and I'm like, this is a $1 million sunrise, whether we get something or not, you know, and this just tops it off. And to be able to share it with friends and family, and this is awesome.
It is. It is.
It's even more awesome that you're carrying it out. I don't care how old you are.
Oh, God. I really don't think I...
Yeah, I'm not gonna feel it. I'm not gonna feel it.